We've shown if two matrices are inverses. Now we're going to use the calculator to actually find the inverse of a matrix. So I want to enter in the matrix into matrix A, and then on the home screen type A raised to the negative 1. So I'm using the x to the negative 1 key. And then press enter, and this is our inverse matrix. However, I do want to convert it to a fraction. So if you go to the math menu and type convert to fraction and then press enter, this will be our inverse matrix. So I've copied down our answer onto the slide here. Let's look at number 8. 8 is a 3 by 3 matrix, but the process is really the same. So you want to type matrix A raised to the negative 1, and this is what you should get. Again, make sure to convert to fraction. And then lastly, number 9, I entered my matrix into matrix C and then pressed the x to the negative 1 key. And the calculator gives me an error message that says invalid dimension. So my answer is impossible. This matrix does not have an inverse. And that's because the original matrix is not a square matrix. It has to be a square matrix in order to have an inverse.